Graph 66 hundredths and 7/10ths on the number line. Let's take care of the 66 hundredths because it's actually pretty simple. I'm given a number line between 60 hundredths and 70 hundredths, and here it shows me 65 hundredths. So it would make sense that the one to the right of it would be 66 hundredths, so I'm going to put a circle right there on 66 hundredths. Now, right now, 7/10ths, I don't see any fractions here on the number line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to view 7/10ths as a decimal. And you write out 7/10ths the way it's supposed to be written out, 0 and 7/10ths. Now I'm looking at this and none of these are exactly the same. Oh, but you know what? I can turn any decimal into a number with a 0 at the end just by including zeros at the end. So by adding a 0 at the end of this, it doesn't change my value. So 7/10ths is the same as 70 100ths. So 7/10ths, the fraction, is the same as 0.70, which I'm going to mark there in blue. And that's my answer.